Now that we understand the vocabulary terms that deal with algebra, arithmetic sequences, we're going to learn how to do them. So you'll be given an arithmetic sequence like this: 0, 13, 26, 39. And I remind you that you're going to see these dots at the end because it tells you the numbers still go on, they just haven't written it. Your job is to describe the relationship in this sequence and find the next three terms. And we know the terms are the numbers. So what it means is describe the relationship. You're going to see how 0 becomes 13 and how 13 becomes 26 and 26 becomes 39. We're going to look for that pattern. So what I usually do is basically look at the number, the first number, and then I see how that changed to 13. So I know to 0 to 13 it increased, so that has to be adding. Now I have to decide how much it increased by. So decided, it's adding because it increased, it went up, 0 to 13. Now how much did it go up to? So 0 plus what equals 13, and I know it's 13. So the pattern from here to here is 13. Now I'm going to do the next sequence, 13 to 26. That's an increase, so 13 plus what equals 26. So 13 plus what equals 26? So I know 13 plus 13. So therefore, this pattern is 13. So now, 26 plus what equals 39? What's this number right there? What plus 26 equals 39? I know 26 plus 13 equals 39. So the relationship between this number is adding 13. And so since I know all of them is adding 13, I'm going to find the next three numbers. And all I have to do is take 39 plus 13, 3, 4, 5, and that's 52. So the next number here would be 52. 52 plus 13 is 65, so the next one is 65. 65 plus 13 is 78. So those are the next three numbers. So the relationship here is adding 13, and these are the next three numbers in the sequence. Now, we are going to erase all this. It'd be easier if I just exit. Erase all this. And then we're going to work on our next sequence. So, we're going to, let me clear out my board and work on the next sequence. So let's say now I have the number 4, 7, 10, 13. I'm going to do the same thing. From this number to this number, I know it's an increase, so I know it's an adding. So 4 plus what equals 7? And the number is 3, so this must be a 3. So let's see, 7 to 10, do I add 3? Yes. 10 to 13, do I add 3? Yes. So the relationship is I add 3, and now I'm going to find the next three numbers. So I know if I add 3 to 13, it's 16. After 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19, 20, 21, 22. Those are the next three numbers. So that's how you describe the relationship. And you'll do the same with decimals.